Okay, guys, William Savoy here. I'm going to show you how to check the clients at the end of the month in MindBody. You're going to go to Reports. You're going to go to Membership. You're going to type it in. And when you click on Membership, you got to have master authority to do this. I'm going to go to, I'm going to compare dates. In the date that you're doing, so basically I want to know how many clients we had. It's February. I need to know how much we had at the end of the month in January. My start date is going to be the 1st, January 1st. My end date is going to be the 31st, 131, and I'm going to go to generate. And when you look at it, the total as of 131 is 131. So we went up clients. We have a total of 131 clients, 32 athlete, 94 boot camp, and 6 semi-private clients. So all you're going to do from here is you're going to go to the Mjolnir Power Assault Armor, and then you're going to go to previous clients at the end of the month. All I'm going to do, I'm going to come in here, because obviously this is like a separate category. I'm going to go to Insert, I'm going to go to Comment, and I'm going to put as of 1/31/2020. I'm going to put 131 clients. And if I want to get even fancier, I might just put the rest of that data. Our two core group is we have 32 boot camp, 32 athletes, and 94 boot camp. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that comment. 32 athletes plus 94 boot camp, and I'm commenting. There you go. That is how you identify the total clients.